Welcome everyone to today's video of Tech It Simple. You all may be wondering how to install the Forex.com app on your mobile device. Don't worry, I am here. I'll teach you simple step guides where you can install the Forex.com app on your mobile device. For this, you need to open the Play Store and then search for the keyword Forex.com in the search bar of the Play Store. As you can see, there is a green icon of the app Forex.com. Simply click on the Install button. As you can see, the download process has started on my device. For the installation process to complete, it needs some time. Just need to have some patience. The installation process is complete on my device. Let's check it out in the app section. And there it is, the app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.